Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from OPPO A79. So in the first step, let's open the Play Store and look for the fax app. Choose Easy Fax, install it and open. To show again this banner with free credits, you have to restart the application. Now click on the plus and choose source of your document, like something from the gallery. Just select your photo and click on the import. Now we can add a shape to the document or the picture. If you already click on the arrow icon, now you can choose the filter for a photo to make it more visible. If you already click on the accept, choose the country from the list and type the number in this place. After that, just click on the send icon. This is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend and goodbye.